making homemade Oreo ice cream. And today I'm here with my sister. What's your name? What's your name? Aria. Her name's called Aria. Today she's going to be helping us making the ice creams. Okay? What's up, guys? We're going to make Oreo ice cream. We're going to make Oreo ice cream. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so wait in a minute. Okay, so you're going to bash the Oreos up and then you do it after. You can do a big bit, small bits, however you want. Harder, 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 harder. That's it. Harder, 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 harder. All right, that's enough, Aria. That's enough. Now we're going to do the cream. No, that one. Do you want to do the cream first? Okay, first, okay?
You have to wait. Yaya has to do it first, Aria.
Aria, look. So look, wait, put that down. Yeah. So first, what you do is you hold it and put it in there, like this. Put it all in. No, like this. Just leave it like that, and then just get it and put it in. This and do it like that. Yeah, you do it. You do it. Yeah. Yeah, well done. Right, Aria, do some cream. Alright, so we've already put the Oreos in. Now it's time to put the double cream in. Only do like 1 spoonful, and then give it a stir. Okay, wait, let's just put that there. And then just... Okay, do you want to put some cream in? Roll up your sleeves. Yeah. Okay, Aria, now we're going to put the double cream in. Okay, Aria, put this one. Put this one here.
Double cream.
Aria, let's put your cream in.
Yeah, we put a double Oreos in.
Aria, hold it.
Special cream.
Okay. We're going to get our small spoon.
Small spoon.
And, alright, Aria, let's put the cream here. Now with the back of the spoon, mix it up like this, Bob. Okay? Yaya, do the same, yeah? Look what Yaya doing and you copy Yaya. Ready, ready? Oh no! It cracked! Shall I get another one? I'll go get another one. Okay. Oh, we had to start that one again.
Yeah,
so now let's put some sauce on. Do you want to get your sauce?
We already started that pit sauce.
Whoa. I only do a tiny bit because it might taste a little bit too sickly. Oh my god, no. Too much. Now let's put it in the freezer every hour. Check it until it's hard. Alright guys, so we have cleaned up and we've taken it out of the freezer. It's taken about 2 hours or so. So now let's test it.
Ice cream in the freezer.
Okay, now we sit.
So now take it out. Now we
Look it.